Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Robinhood Cash Card. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Cash tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll easily spot the Cash Card section. Tap on it to start your application process. It's a straightforward path to managing your money with ease. After finding the Cash Card section, you'll need to confirm you meet all eligibility requirements. Robinhood will outline these clearly for you. Once confirmed, tap the Apply for a Cash Card button to move forward. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review the terms and conditions. Understanding these details is important for a smooth experience. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. Make sure to provide all details accurately, as this is crucial for your application. Double-check everything you've entered to ensure there are no errors. Once you're confident, tap the Submit button to send your application for review. Robinhood will then process your request. After submitting, you'll need to wait for Robinhood to approve your application. This usually takes a short time. Once approved, your new cash card will be mailed to you. When it arrives, follow the instructions to activate it and start using it right away. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.